This 2005 Lance TC1181 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Lance is 11 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, external shower, awning, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, slide-out, stovetop burner, self-contained, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper RV features bunk over cab, front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.